Take a breath. The air that just filled your lungs has been quietly scrubbed, recycled, and refreshed by plants, some of them on the other side of the planet. So how exactly does a single leaf clean the air? Let's take a look. The air around us is never perfectly clean. It carries the carbon dioxide we breathe out, plus dust, smoke, and invisible gases from paint, traffic, and factories. Left alone, all of that just builds up. Plants are one of nature's ways of taking it back out again. Look closely at a leaf, and you would find thousands of tiny mouths called stomata. These microscopic pores open and close to let gases move in and out. This is the doorway where the air actually enters the plant. Through those pores, a plant pulls in carbon dioxide. Using sunlight and water, it turns that carbon into sugar to grow and breathes out oxygen as the leftover. Every leaf is a tiny machine, swapping the gas we don't want for the one we need. But plants do more than swap gases. A leaf's surface is slightly rough, waxy, and sometimes covered in tiny hairs. As air drifts past, dust and soot stick to it the way crumbs stick to a sticky table. Rain then washes it all down to the ground. Some pollution is completely invisible. Gases like formaldehyde and benzene that leak out of furniture, carpets, and fuel. Plants can pull these in through their pores too, then break them down or lock them safely away inside their own tissues. And here is the real surprise. A lot of the cleaning is not done by the leaves at all. Around a plant's roots live whole armies of microbes. They feed on pollutants in the soil, breaking nasty chemicals into harmless ones. The plant and these microbes work as a team. Scale it up and the effect is enormous. A single mature tree can soak up tens of kilograms of carbon dioxide every year and trap kilograms of dust. Multiply that by a whole forest, and you can see why forests are so often called the lungs of the planet. What about the little plant on your desk? It helps, but let's be honest about how much. One small plant only cleans a tiny bit of the air in a real room. To truly freshen your space, you would need a small jungle. Still, a few plants do add oxygen, humidity, and a bit of calm. So the next time you walk past a tree, remember it is silently filtering the air for you, leaf by leaf, root by root. And if there is something you have always wondered about, tell me in the comments. Your question could be the next video. If this made you a little more curious about the world, subscribe to the Heuristicos, and I'll see you in the next one.